Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. I'm Kodrashida, in case it's your first time on my channel. Guys, in this video, I want to show you how I struggled to install the curtain rods. I don't know what I was thinking when I told the guy who installed those curtain rods to put them up at the bottom of the ceiling. Just know guys, the struggle was real. My curtains are short because the curtain rods are so up, but I've been watching videos of modern houses whereby I see when the curtain rods are up on the, like, let me say, at the bottom of the ceiling. So it's what I wanted to copy, but I ended up regretting. Although even if it was a hard task for me to do when putting the curtains, the results was so cute. Okay, the results was so nice. My curtains were looking so beautiful. Like, I just can't wait to see how my house will be looking after putting the paint, after buying new curtains, like longer curtains, or the new curtains. Sorry guys. So I'm so sure it will be a beautiful house. Anyway, without talking that much, let us get into the video. I decided to do this introduction because, anyway, I have some people here who complain that, Rashida, please stop using your mother language. Some of us, we are not understanding what you're speaking. Guys, I'm a Ugandan and I'm from Buganda. For some reasons, my mother tongue or my mother language comes out even me without me wanting to speak it. I'm not that good at English, so where I find it difficult, it's easier for me to speak the mother language. Okay, in this video I think 50% I spoke it in the mother language. So that's why I decided to do the introduction in English. And I'm really sorry to my viewers or my followers who do not understand my mother language. And I promise I will do better. Yes, so just bear with me with this video. But in the next videos, I will try my best to do better. Okay, so guys, enjoy the video. In case you have, please subscribe to the channel. You can leave a comment down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Guys, I have new updates coming, so just stay tuned. We are setting up something new. Yeah, anyway, let me not give you the tips, but just stay on my channel. Yeah, I'll be updating you, so enjoy the video. Guys, see how short my curtains are. Hey, see how short my curtains are. Let me first fix this. Yeah, let me first fix this one, then I'll show you. Guys, this what? These curtain rods were made by the guy who made for me my doors, and they are so cute. You see the design here? But I do kind of design. You see the design? Yeah, so he made for me these curtain rods. And it's what we are using, and they are durable. They still have many car. For now, let me just put the curtains I have. Maybe in the future, when our house is finished, we shall buy beautiful curtains. Yeah, but for now, we are going to go with what we have. And it's what we are going to use. Not buying other curtains when the house is not finished. Hey, Mama. I don't know curtain to not this around for big. When you pause. Now you can let our guys sponsor our curtain right now. Umutima mulungi. The nyumba yange tenagwa. a curtain sponsor. Oh my God. Netaga sponsor wa curtain, netaga sponsor with Dara. Hey. Guys, jokes aside, this is a serious matter. Kubanga, I don't know how I'm going to handle this. Now we have to go to this door. So maybe tomorrow I'll remove this thing here. This one. So that this curtain, this akatimba bakaita bata mu Luzungu. I've forgotten the name, so that it can become longer. But I know what katimba is in English. Just I've forgotten.
This is tallest too.
You know,
it's taller.
It's tall. I don't know what Mommy was thinking when you told the guys put the curtains up. But guys, you see how cute it is. Hey, see the beauty. See how cute. From the ceiling to the tower, to the floor.
Like this. I like it. I like it.
Yes. So guys, it's phase 2 of this one. And also I want to fix my bedroom's curtains as well today. So just pray for me. What your curtain wait to cool eye? One in the demo case. What did you want to use? Okay. Now so it's time to put this shear. I told you guys, I know how katimba is called in English. It's a shear. A shear? English, let Mommy have you alone. Let me climb my ladders. I have to make sure that the ladder is set. Then we go. What a man can do, our man can do. I won't say I'm pedala and I sobra do a rampa. Okay. Now. That's one. Then 2. Have you come give me this shear. No, pause, you come and give me. Whatever you and it was the curtain was take home now. Yes, I wanted them to be clean. At your nana without Tarokus Janga is yours. So I know to go to marry me, I can name a it was a curtain. What to know as a jet. That was a curtain rods. Even I'm laughing at myself. But I have to install these curtains. Then tomorrow I'll organize the house. We shall clean everything. Then I'll show you. For now, guys, let me first install all of them off camera. When I finish, I'm going to show you how they look like. Then tomorrow, I'll show you the house after the organization. So, see you after installing. Yeah. Guys, we finally finished the installing of the curtains. But I don't know what I was thinking when I told the guy who installed those curtain rods to put them up. Avi, stop jumping those chairs. Guys, I really don't know what I was thinking. See the curtains. Hey. So this is what we have managed to do. I know, guys, they are halfway, but the truth is, heavy. But the truth is, the curtains which come from up to down, like from the ceiling to down, they look so cute. Yeah, they look beautiful. Just that I'm not going to say I'm in need of curtains because even my house is not finished. So we shall be using this for a meantime. Yeah, maybe when our house gets fully finished, we shall get new curtains, okay? So this is the kids' TV room, okay? Then, guys, see my page. I'll show you guys. I'm going to show you a clear picture of these curtains, how the house looks like, the official house tour again, maybe tomorrow when we have enough lights. So for now, yes. What is it? Eh? Aru, what is it? Anyway, my guys, for now, this is what we have managed. Even the bedrooms, they all have curtains. Yeah, so I want to go clean my kids' bedroom because it has a lot of dust. Then I think I'll try to clean mine tomorrow. Let me just show you, or let me give you just a clip for the curtains. The first kids' bedroom. You see, guys, the curtain goes halfway. This is where my girl sleeps. Over here, this is my kids' bedroom, the boys' bedroom. Again, you can see the curtains, they go halfway. But we have nothing to do. Yeah, we still have more important things like the finishing of the perimeter wall, the painting, rather than to think about curtains, okay? So please don't judge. We shall go with what we have. We shall use what we have. But nevertheless, they look so cute, guys. They look so cute. They look cute. So let me say goodbye and see you maybe tomorrow in my next video. Guys, before that, anyway, see you.